Welcome everyone. In today's video lecture, we are diving into the dynamic world of digital marketing. We will explore how to leverage one of the most powerful platforms available. Uh, exactly, you have guessed rightly. I'm talking about LinkedIn. I'm excited to share insights that can elevate your marketing game and help you tap into the vast potential on this professional networking site. As you know, LinkedIn is a very powerful social platform that you can use to grow your professional journey. So let's kick things off with a quick overview. LinkedIn isn't just a platform for job seekers. Uh, it's a gold mine for digital marketers as well. With over 700 million users, it's an invaluable hub for connecting with professionals, generating leads, and establishing your brand in the digital landscape. So, friends, the foundation of successful LinkedIn marketing comes with the profile optimization. Uh, how to optimize your profile? In that phase, first comes your photo that shows uh, that you can show to the connections about your uh, visibility. So friends, how can you optimize your photo? You have just go to the photofiller.com. Let me show you how to do this. I'm sharing my screen and we will practically do it. I hope you can see it now. So friends, I'm going to the photofiller.com. Type in the Google photofiller.com. Please bear with me. I think internet connection is slow at my part, so it's taking a little time. So here comes the photofiller.com. I have already put some pictures and tested which pictures is best to put on my profile. So friends, let us see how I put my pictures one by one on the photofiller.com and see the results. One of my picture brings 4.9 score in competency, 3.6 in likability, and 4.0 in influentiality. Uh, and then another picture brings 3.8 score in competency, 3.8 score in likability, and 4.0 in influentiality. So in this way, you can check your photos one by one and see which of your photo is best among them. So this photo of mine is best. So I have put this picture on my LinkedIn profile. Let's see. I'm showing you my LinkedIn profile. So here is my LinkedIn profile, and you can see the same picture on my profile. Friends, the second thing, the most important thing is headline of your profile. So this part is known as headline. You can use it very wisely. Put all your expertise, skills and your strong areas in your headline to show your connections, your best part. And friends, don't hesitate to put your website, because your website brings you to the next level before the eyes of your audience. And like I have placed my orcid.org, that is a website that shows your um, presence in the world of academia. As I'm in academia field, so I have put this link on my profile so that my viewers can see my publications and my achievements. Then comes uh, the most important part is featured. Feature is a segment that LinkedIn provides to you an opportunity to put your greater achievement or any moment of your life that you want to display and show to your audience. And that can be anything like a certificate, a picture of any memorable event, or anything like I have put my one of my um, memorable experience of the United States, uh, and I have written a blog over it, and I have put that blog on my uh, feature. Uh, so please use this feature as well to optimize your profile. And another most important thing is about part of your profile. Use it. I will say again, use it wisely. And in the first paragraph, introduce yourself briefly. And in the second paragraph, tell your achievements and your goals. In the third paragraph, tell about your future journey. And then comes the like I have put my certificates and all other my engagements, like you can see. And friends, this is very interesting part of LinkedIn that no other social media platform provides you. Like you can see recommendations. Recommendation, you can ask your mentors or your any of your supervisors that you have worked with in the past. You can request them to write a recommendation for you in few lines, and you can put that recommendation on your LinkedIn profile. That will boost your professional visibility to the audience. And then you can also put your publications. If you have written anything, a book or anything, or any blog or anything, you can put that in this segment, publication segment. So don't hesitate to put any of your achievement on your LinkedIn profile. This is the best part of LinkedIn that I like the most. No other social media platform provides you this opportunity. Like LinkedIn gives you this opportunity. So now come to the main point of this video, and that is leveraging digital marketing, LinkedIn for digital marketing. So this option you will click on the top right corner, this option for business. As you click it, you will see different options like sell with LinkedIn, post a job, advertise on LinkedIn, learn with LinkedIn, and many other like hire on LinkedIn. So you can use any of these options to grow your business, to enhance your professional development, your professional presence, and you can also use find leads. There are lots of options. See, advertise, talent insights, learning, post a job, service marketplace. You can provide freelance services on this platform as well. So this is a very good platform that I can recommend to everyone to use it for your growth and your future building. So, friends, this was the purpose to tell you about the features of LinkedIn and to bring into your notice that as we spend lots of time on Facebook and on Instagram and like other like X and other social media platforms and waste our time. So rather than wasting our time on other social media platforms, why not to use LinkedIn for your to make your life better and to achieve some benefits. Uh, so thank you so much, friends. This was the thing I wanted to share with you. So let me stop this sharing. So you have seen that how can we use LinkedIn for digital marketing? Now come to the point. What can you uh, sell on LinkedIn? You can sell anything like any product uh, or any like you can sell your expertise as well. You can grow your connections with the most relevant industry professionals. You can use search bar, putting keywords and find some good connections, and you can convey your message to them and build connections and also market your products to them. Like there are many CEOs and marketing directors and professionals on the LinkedIn platform that can benefit you in many ways. So don't hesitate to use LinkedIn for your future perspective. And I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much.